Lamsongo computer tech update channel bijingtei vibe song fighting जों tini shuru Tripurani Gk Imimpont je important question chimi angno baisibui angno phunungnai hingke naidi 18 number naidi pujan tongo. Which is the first newspaper of Tripura? Tripurani first newspaper bobo hingkai C number Orun. April 1990 number Tripura became full-fledged state in the year. Tripura boy or full-fledged makangkai 1972 option number C. Abni yagulo 27 number common number. Who was the first chief minister of the full-fledged state of Tripura? Tripura first chief minister sabangkai option number B Sukhmoy Sengupta. Abni yagulo 31 question. The first political agent was appointed in Tripura during the reign of option number B right answer Maharaja Birchandra Manikya. April 32 when did Rabindranath visit Tripura for the first time? First time Tripura visit Khemne Rabindranath Boyaro Hangkai option number A 1900 Christabde. Abni yagulo 34 question. Which one of the fleeing kings did not rule Tripura? Tripura Rajani kuno rule korikha bo Raja hangkai asomayo option number C Kailash Manikya. Abni yagulo 44 who is the first governor general of Tripura? Tripura first governor sabong hangkai option number C. Option number C tamglaka AL Dash first Tripura governor. April Abni yagulo 45 question. The name of the king who introduced coin of Tripura for the first time. First time Tripura bo rajani bumung rijaka coin hangkai Ratna Manikya. Abni yagulo 47 who is the first vice chancellor of Tripura University? Tripura University ni vice chancellor sab first hangkai option number B Dr. Jalad Baran Ganguly right answer. Abni yagulo 50 question. Where was the first capital of Tripura situated? Tripura first capital bo jaga hangkai option number C Dharmanagar. Dharmanagar Tripura first rajdhani eba capital. Abni yagulo 51 under which amendment of the constitution provision of the 6th schedule came in force in TTADC? Option number C right answer 49 amendment. 62 question. First railway connectivity established in which year? Mane first railway connectivity mane boyaro established hangkai aboka option number A 1964. Abni yagulo 65 question. When Tripura merged with India? Mane bufro Tripura by India merge agreement mane autonok joton saimana 15 October 1949 right answer. India by Tripura merged mane. Hingke vibe song asungno tin bagai je important sai angdongno phunugui rikha asungno jotono hainai hambai.